Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart real quick. We're just still kind of hanging on top of this 100-day exponential moving average. They tested below it a couple of times, but it's holding up as support, and it's creating a higher low versus this consolidation area that has the ultimate low down at 42.60. What you kind of have shaping up here is you got some, you got a lower high. You got a higher low. It's, you've got this widening consolidation / triangle type of a deal that's developing on the daily chart. It makes for some good trading. Yesterday was what I like to call slow, wide whip. So the range was wide. It was really whippy on the edges, and it was relatively slow. It would suck you in and then whip you and go. So we got a lot of thirds and we got a lot of middles, and we got into a very good one into late in the day that we carried into the overnight. But it was a lot, but not a lot of runners yesterday. And that was by choice. We were kind of letting things work. But it's certainly giving enough opportunity to get days made and things like that. So, and the setups and the worst entry area and drawing that line for folks is really, really helping people in a big way. So hourly chart, I drew a box yesterday in the room just saying, look, here's the box that we're in. Eventually the box is going to, do something. And it did. It broke down late in the day. We got into, but you can see these big, hourly candles, very pronounced wide range candles, slow, wide whip. So it breaks down. They flatten it out. They do the Globex low right at 3 a.m., 23.25, and then that gets immediately rejected and taken back up into the area of the 100-day and the weekly pivot up around 43.56. And I'm taping this as 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, trading 48 right on top of the 9-day, and we've been on top of the 9-day for the better part of 4 hours. So as we open today, you got the 9-day at 48.25, weekly pivot 56.5. The hourly mid-band is essentially 40. Volume weighted average price is essentially 40. Your daily pivot is 37. So 37 to 57 is going to have to resolve itself. So we got CPI right now. We'll see what kind of, what that does with the tape. We got an hour until the regular open. So 37 to 57's got to sort itself out. What do the bulls want to do? Well, they want to win this area and get back up into the monthly pivot. Ultimately, the big problem for them, though, is 44.07. And I want to emphasize, this is a sell rallies market. It's a sell rallies market. This was their chance back here on Friday to convert the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band, into support. They didn't get it done. So these rallies continue to be sold. So we're getting a little pop here off the 830. We'll see if it can convert 56. If it does, it still has to contend with daily midband, 69.23, monthly pivot, 77. What do the bears want to do? You want to hold it here. You want to hold it here. You want to break the overnight low, ultimately try to break yesterday's low, and then close somewhere closer to 4,300 than 4,400. That's for sure. So we'll see. I think it's going to be another indecisive morning where everybody's continuing to just kind of consolidate things, jockey for position, and see where it wants to be. Don't get too caught up in that. There were a couple of times yesterday where we had to put out no trade zones and to say, look, between this number and this number, we're not going to deal with this. Convert it to the upside, we'll buy it. Convert it to the downside, we'll sell it. And you skip a lot of unnecessary trading in doing that, and then you end up focusing your effort on the things that are going to work out. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Next week, I'm going to be doing a couple of trainings. I'll be doing the subscriber training on the 19th of October at noon. That'll be in the paid chat room. On the 21st, we'll be doing the Facebook. We'll do the live Facebook training, October 21st, 12 o'clock, in the free Facebook group. So if you haven't joined the Facebook group yet, join the Facebook group. If you want to learn how to trade this stuff and improve your trading, you need to come into that and come and join the chat room. Come take the trial. If you used to be a member, then sign up, rejoin, get back, get back in the fold, because these entry areas and the setups are going to dramatically move the needle for you. All right, everybody have a great day. Take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon.